Counting sheep does not work. You likely learned to count before you went to kindergarten, and it's so easy to do that you really don't even have to think about it. In fact, your mind can flip between 45, 46, 47, and I need to remember to get laundry detergent at the store tomorrow. Cognitive switching, or sometimes it's called cognitive shuffling, originally that was the name, is an effective tool to help you put your mind in neutral and drift into dreamland. And there's more than one way to do it. The idea is to mentally change gears. Recently, I sat on the couch with my husband and planned a big trip for my birthday. Did you know that you can search for the perfect itinerary on Pinterest? I'm a master planner anyway, but give me some do not miss sites and I am all in. So I researched options and booked hotels, flights, a rental car, and activities, and by the time the trip was booked, my mind was buzzing with excitement, the good kind. But then it was bedtime, and I went through my usual routine and climbed under the covers, slipped on my silky sleep mask to block out the light. But you want to know what I couldn't block out? Yeah, all those amazing adventures I planned. So essentially, my brain was in high gear even though the plans were taken care of. The excitement was keeping me awake. So to change mental gears, I used cognitive switching. Here's how it works. Think of a word, any word, it doesn't matter how long or how short. I thought of vacation. Then start with the first letter of the word you selected and think of 5 other words that begin with that letter. Sometimes I use the first thing that pops into my mind, and sometimes I think, no, I like victory better than vicious. But I would caution you not to spend too much effort evaluating the word. You don't want to engage your brain at a high level, but positive words are always nice. Then you move on to the next letter. In this case, it was A, so think of 5 words that start with that letter. And often, I do get all the way to the end of a word and I'm still awake. I guess it takes a while to change directions when you're coming in mentally hot, but I almost never get through a second word. So if you're still awake and alert, repeat the process. Here's how it works. When you're drifting off to sleep, your brain starts the mental sorting process, throwing out random fragments of information. So cognitive shuffling is a conscious effort to move into that mental space and allow your brain to transition from alertness to relaxed and ready to rest. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you. And if you find this technique helpful in turning off your mind so you can sleep, then you will not want to miss a free live masterclass that I have coming up. It's called Everything You're Doing to Sleep Better is Keeping You Awake. This event is free, but registration is required. So go to my website, healthylooksgreatonYou.com, and check out Everything You're Doing to Sleep Better is Keeping You Awake. There are 3 different options for dates and times that you can attend. So go to my website, healthylooksgreatonYou.com, and check out Everything You're Doing to Sleep Better is Keeping You Awake. There is a free downloadable workbook that you'll get if you register for this event. And if you attend live, there's an added bonus, and that is a collection of recipes called Food as Sleep Medicine. These are recipes that incorporate all of the nutrients that your body needs to make all the sleep hormones that help you get a good night's rest. So don't miss Everything You're Doing to Sleep Better is Keeping You Awake. Just go to my website and sign up for one of those events. Again, it's free, but registration is required. And just by registering, you will get that workbook. And if you come to the event live, you'll get the Food as Sleep Medicine recipe collection. And I always say, the proof is in the Z's. I'll see you in the masterclass.